a common mission of being able to make sure that every girl not only improves as a player right now and before their next high school season, but for them, it's also putting themselves in a position to start getting college scholarships. Focus heavily on players who just want to get better. I have found over a 20-year career that a lot of, doesn't matter if it's high school programs and high school coaches or youth programs, everybody just wants to take the best players, and they don't want to necessarily take, I shouldn't say everybody, but a majority of programs and coaches want the best players. They don't want to develop players to being the best.